I bet we capture the rest.
Nice. More volunteers for the Justice League Reserve team. That's awesome. I'm Cyborg, the youngest member of the Justice League and the team's technology expert. I guess you've heard there's a situation here in Metropolis, huh? Well, it's going from bad to worse out there on the streets. That's why we need your help. Lex Luthor and the Joker have teamed up to take control of Metropolis. We're doing everything we can to defend the city of tomorrow. But with Luthor's off-the-charts intellect and the Joker's gifts for chaos and destruction, it hasn't been easy. See, Luthor has used his vast wealth and resources to monitor each member of the Justice League in action and identify our individual weaknesses. Now, Luthor's using those weaknesses against us. Supergirl, the Flash, and Green Lantern have already been captured. Only Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, and I are left to defend Metropolis. That's why we're recruiting brave citizens like you to join us in the battle. Based on intel we've gathered from out in the field, we believe our friends are being held at LexCorp headquarters. We need to break in and rescue them. It's so heavily guarded, it might be the most dangerous place on the planet. With your help, we hope to breach the security, free the captured members of the League, and return the city to order. As if the security at LexCorp wasn't bad enough, the Joker has taken over Star Labs to create his toxic laughing gas. He's using it on the people of Metropolis.
Done.
to the top.